The way to affect all timelines is with geometrical shapes, sounds, and frequencies. Specific geometries intersect into timelines. They can connect in like a chain link fence would connect in. It would connect in the way you snap together a bracelet or a necklace. These frequencies and geometric shapes can link in to the multiverse, the multi-dimensional plane that we are existing in.
It all starts with a glowing screen, promising something almost magical. Curiosity takes over, and the session begins. Harmony is restored, and the unexpected journey feels truly worthwhile.